Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're recharging the AC system on our 2018 Charger. It started blowing a little warm this week, so we're just going to give it a little charge and see if this process is the same for all models of 2015 and up Chargers and Challengers, whether it's a 3.6, 5.7, 6.4, or 6.2 liter. And for 2015 and up, you will need R1234YF refrigerant, which should be listed under your hood. I ordered this kit from Amazon for about 50 bucks. I'll put a link down below. And it comes with 3 cans of refrigerant as well as the fill nozzle with a built-in gauge. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is start your car, open up your climate controls, turn on the AC, lower the temps all the way down to low, and then turn it on the highest setting. Next, pop your hood, take the fitting, and connect it to the lower AC line. That's the one on the bottom, that's the low pressure side. You don't want to hook it to the high pressure side. And after we connected ours, we saw that it was low. So take your refrigerant, screw the nozzle into the top of the can, make sure it's nice and tight, and then go ahead and start twisting in the upper nozzle. And this will puncture the can so that way the refrigerant can flow out. After you screw it in, go ahead and unscrew it. As you unscrew it, it'll let refrigerant into the line, and the gauge will probably spike up into the red, but that's okay. That's just because it's sensing all the pressure coming in. Usually let this sit maybe 5-10 minutes. Maybe after a couple minutes, go ahead and shake the can, agitate it a little bit, make sure the pressure is all out of there. After about 5 or 10 minutes, once you could feel that the can is empty, check the gauge. The blue section here means that we're good. I probably could have put in a little bit more, but I didn't want to overfill it. And the AC was blowing super cold at that point. So. Whoa!